One of the problems that Fiverr freelancers are facing right now is the verification issue, whether it's phone number, account ID, and location verification. All of these issues are what Fiverr freelancers are facing right now. And in this video today, I'm going to break everything down and what you need to verify your account, how can you get your account fully okay, and how you can manage your account without being flagged right from anywhere in the world, right? So if that being said, guys, I want you to subscribe to this channel, like this video, share with your friend that wants to verify his or own account as well, and all of us can learn on the same page together right now and get our account fully active and ready for order, right? So now let's talk about all of this process. I'm going to start from the very first thing, from setting up account to the very last page, to every of this verification process and how you can do everything yourself without any technical experience or maybe any prior issue. Right now, the very first thing right from start is when you want to sign up an account. Most of us don't have any phone number right here in Nigeria that want to use to sign up on Fiverr again, or maybe all of our account has been disabled, or maybe we just want to twerk a little bit and put ourselves in the top world countries and we need a phone number to verify our account, which is the number one verification process on Fiverr. Right now, all you need to do to solve that particular problem is to come over to this website showing on your screen right now. This is called XeroSMS. Now, this is where you can get any particular country phone number for yourself, and you can use it for your Fiverr verification with low cost. And this is something you can do for yourself. You don't need to pay anybody to do this for you. All you need to do, just come over to XeroSMS.com and you hit sign up right here. You put your full name, your email address, then create a password for yourself that you will be using to log in on this platform. And for me, I'm just going to click on sign right here, and I'm just going to sign it to my account. And right here on my account, as you can see right here, this is what the dashboard look like, right? As you can see right here, it says welcome Black Consular Academy. And all you need to do first, once you reach your dashboard like this, is to add your balance, because what do you want to use for your purchase of your phone number if you don't have a balance, right? You are going to click on add balance right here. You are going to select from these two options, and you can see they recommend pay stack. All you need to do is to click on pay stack and put the amount in dollars. Don't worry, you are not paying with USD card. That's not the problem. You are paying directly with your Naira account, right? So I'm just going to put like $3, and the next thing you are going to do is to add balance. And right here, once you click on add balance, you are going to select it's going to redirect you to a page where you are going to make this payment with Paystack. And right now, you are going to see if you want to have your card details. This is the amount you are paying in Naira. If you want to add your card details, if you want to pay with bank transfer, you can see right here, this is the account details that you are going to make transfer to. Or maybe if you want to pay with your bank, you can pay with USSD, you can pay with OPay, and all of these things. Now, after I'm going to assume like you understand this process and you are able to fund the account. For now, I'm not funding this account because I don't have any account that I want to verify. All right. So immediately after you fund your account, it's going to redirect you back to the dashboard where I can now show you how you are going to verify your Fiverr account. Right now, coming over right here, you are going to click on SMS service. And once you click on SMS service right here, you are going to select right here for any service that you want to verify. Is this Fiverr? As you can see, is it Upwork? All right, Upwork, you can see that. Is it WhatsApp? Anything at all that you want to do. So for now, we are going with Fiverr. And once you click on Fiverr right here, you are going to select the country that you want to verify your account in. Is it United States? You see, any of these countries, you are good. As you can see right here, they have a whole lot. So for me, I can just try out, okay, I want to verify my account in United Kingdom. Even if you put Nigeria right here, you will still have Nigeria phone number for your account, right? So I'm just going to click United Kingdom, and the next thing you are going to see right here is to purchase this number. And if it's USA, for instance, this virtual always delay code, and to get better fast results is to use this particular one that doesn't have this virtual option. All right, and if this server is delaying you, you can switch to server 2, and right here you can just search Fiverr again and you select USA, and now you can see you have this. But if this is too expensive for you, you can stick to server 1, and make sure you just don't use the one that's have virtual at the end. Right now, After all of this process, you'll be able to get on your account and you make some money for yourself. Even during the process of you making money, Fiverr asks you to verify your identity, right? Now, if you want to verify your identity right here in Nigeria for any country account, there are some particular things that you need to know and understand before you go ahead to verify your account, right? The very first thing is, what type of ID card can you use? Now, you are going to use ID card that is well addressed in other country, that is even Nigeria ID card. I'm talking about something like your international passport right now, or maybe your driving license, because if you travel out of Nigeria, you can still use your driving license to drive like 3 to 6 months over there, and is well recognized over there. And your international passport, you are good if you have these two. But if you want to verify Nigeria accounts, you can look out to get yourself a voter's card like this, or any of these, and also maybe your own NIN, but it's going to be in a plastic form like this. So because Fiverr is going to ask you to scan your ID card and make sure all the 4 edges show, and your date of birth should be visible with your face on this card, right? This doesn't affect if the name on your ID card is very different from the one on your account. All they want to see is your live access, and they want to see the face on your card, and also your face that you want to use to verify that you are the owner of all of this information, right? Now, it's something simple. If you want to verify your international account and you don't have any of these things, you can reach out to someone. If you have someone over in the country, you can let that person help you and you are good to go. Or you can even do it yourself. All you need to do before you do that is make sure you still have like any of these, or if you want to try it out with your NIN, make sure you have a paid VPN, and make sure your location is in that country of your account before you try it out. Although all of this might verify your account and might take down your account back to Nigeria, but then it's 50-50 option, and you can use all of this information, like I said, verify any country account, and your accounts will be fine without being flagged. Now, another thing that I want to talk to you about is, how do you undo your account without raising alarm or flag, or maybe all this verification issue even before you receive an order, right? Now, if you come over to your Fiverr account right here, this is like a buyer account. So right here, you are going to click on settings and your profile. So for you, it's going to be like this. You are going to come over to your account settings, and for me, I just have to choose account security right here. So on your security section, right, you are going to note this particular option, that this is what is going to keep your account safe. It's called account activity. So on the account activity right here, you can see it at the top right here. So you are going to make sure you don't exceed 3 locations on your account. And for me now, if I want to log in this account on my phone, what I will need to do is to connect my VPN to Dallas, Texas, United States before I log in. So this is going to tell Fiverr that I'm still the one and I'm still in my region. I'm not logging out anywhere. All right, so if you have like 2 locations or 3 locations on your account, you can sign out of one and just maintain 2. All of these things is what trigger Fiverr bot to act on your account. Another thing is when your account feels like it's a robot that is operating it, because you cannot tell Fiverr that you are the one refreshing your account every 30 seconds, right? So this is going to count as too much activity. So those of you that are using auto refresh app on your account, I want you to set it over like 2 minutes or 3 minutes max. Even 5 minutes is okay to keep refreshing your account if you want to keep your account active and live online. All right, so all of these things is what you want to put in place, and you want to make sure you maintain your account perfectly. Now you know how to verify your account, you know how to get phone number. What about you that are creating accounts in your top tier countries, and now you have the money there, but you don't have access to the phone number that you use on your account, and you just want to withdraw your money? Now, all you need to do now is to come back to XeroSMS again, and instead of SMS service this time, you are going to click on rent a number. All right, so once you click on rent a number, this is going to help you have a phone number for like a week or a few days, so you can change your phone number on your Fiverr account, link your payment method, and withdraw your money straight to your bank account. Right, I'm still going to talk about withdrawal, so hold on for that. Now right here, you are going to choose like United States, and you are going to choose Fiverr. All right, so you can see right here Fiverr, and you can see you are going to have this for 1 week with this amount. I can just click purchase right here, and you can have your phone number that you want to change on Fiverr. And for the previous one, that if you don't remember it, you can just come over to your order history right here, and you can see all of the phone number that you've used to verify. If you click on this, you will see the phone number right here. All right, you can see that. So you can use this to change your phone number and your account will be fine. Another thing that trigger Fiverr bots in terms of account flagging, verification, and all of these things is the payment method that you use. You can't be using different payment method on a particular account. You have to stick with one. If you want to use Pioneer, make sure your Pioneer account is well linked to a particular Fiverr account, not that. Okay, you have to make sure you link into one, and if you don't want to use that account again, you can just remove that account and you can link it to another one. But I always recommend you use PayPal, because with PayPal, once you link your Fiverr email to your PayPal account and you use it to withdraw, you can basically remove that email from your PayPal account and have your account back to yourself. Even whether your account is disabled and you want to have a new one, you can still add that email to the same PayPal and still withdraw and remove it, right? So I know PayPal is not allowed in Nigeria to set up an account, so I've prepared a course for you guys on how you can set up PayPal account in up to 20 different countries right here in Nigeria. Inside this course, I even talked about how you can turn it to business by helping people to withdraw their money, how you can handle limitations, how you can withdraw from your limited PayPal accounts, and how you can withdraw from your PayPal account with or without bank link to it, right? So all of these things is what I've put together for you, just for you to have your personal PayPal account and use it for your personal withdrawal on your Fiverr account, or receive direct payments from every of your online clients, right? Now this course is being up for like 30,000 naira, but for the first 100 people that is coming from YouTube, with the first link in the description below, you will get access to this course for 20,000 naira. So I just want everybody to have this particular freedom and get access to unlock all of their online possibilities in terms of getting their money straight right here in Nigeria or any African country that PayPal is not well allowed, right? So all of these things is what I want you to put together to keep your account safe in the online space, and with this you can have a good quality account that can keep making you money over and over again, right? So if that all being said, guys, so this is all I have for you right now in this video, and it's time to get back to work. I will see you in the next video where I walk you through another thing that you need to know to stay safe and keep your live earnings going online, right? So if that being said, guys, I will see you in the next video. Until then, guys, stay at peace. Bye bye.